totoo ba na nakaka-bad breath ang veneers? O yan, malalaman nyo na ang totoong sagot, ha?
Actually, it's not the veneers na nakaka-bad breath. It's the way the patient maintains the veneers. Kasi may maintenance yan eh. Now, when you get veneers kasi, you have additional surfaces in your mouth. Meron kang additional sites kung saan pwede magtago yung bacteria. So, if you are not able to...
Ano siya eh, hindi siya yung part ng katawan mo talaga eh, di ba?
Kasi, isipin mo kung may braces ka, parang doble yung ngipin mo, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yung effort in cleaning, doble din. When you have veneers, medyo mas mahirap siya, especially if it's not done properly, kasi there will be areas na hindi accessible for brushing, not accessible for cleaning purposes. So,
Kaya nagkakaroon
dun
ng
siya
bad
nagkakaroon.
So guys, depende pa rin pala kung
Yes.
nagtutoothbrush ka lagi or nagpapalinis ka every 3 months.
Linis-linis din kasi guys.
Sometimes there's some misdiagnosis kasi. Halimbawa, meron ng existing disease yung pasyente, may gum disease na siya, hindi na diagnose, and then nilagyan ng veneers, nag-aggravate yung condition.